Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Victory Octane. This is definitely a hot rod VTwin cruiser, 1200 cc's, 104 horsepower, 76 foot-pounds of torque. We're talking 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. Yeah. Great sounding straight cut pipes. The bike only has 1,800 miles. Beautiful matte gray finish. Comes with a little cowl fairing that you can put on the headlamp. Come by, check us out. Fuel injected VTwin 1200. Price to sell just $84.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostapowersports.com. Where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Yeah. Make some noise. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.